Hey guys, and welcome to another video. I am shooting this video on the FitSpark EAGLE i9 1080p 60 fps. We're going to do a motovlog. I'm going to show you day and night footage. Stay with me. And this entire video is going to be shot on the FitSpark EAGLE i9. I'm not going to use my phone. So let's see what it can do in multiple conditions. Let's go. This is a video to showcase the daylight footage of the FitSpark i9 action camera, EAGLE i9. Daylight footage. I am riding a Hero Pleasure scooter for a change. At this point the bike is shaking a lot, but you can see that the footage is not shaking as much as the bike is shaking. Also, I have seen what the daylight footage looks like on a PC and a bigger screen, so I can tell you it's crisper. It doesn't feel like it's overcompensating for a lower resolution sensor because the colors are well represented, lighting, shadows, highlights. It's better than the i6. It's not on par with the GoPro, but it's better. Look at the greenery. You can see what kind of color reproduction you're getting, and it's pretty good. And this is being shot at 1080p 60 fps, so you'll get very smooth movement. So these are the lighting conditions. You can see the lights are pretty high up, and this is what footage you can expect from the FitSpark i9. Wow. So the reason I'm shooting a night vlog is because in the daytime a lot of cameras will excel, but in the night is when you really come to know what a camera is made of. Wow, without helmet, excellent. For people who love to press the horn a lot for no reason on the road, don't be so horny. So that is all for this video. I will show you in the next one. This has been a short video just to show you the kind of footage you can expect from the FitSpark EAGLE i9. See you in the next video. Till then, like, share, subscribe, all the good stuff, and always wear your helmet. I'm not wearing a helmet right now. I'm not riding right now. See you.